Here we are on the Mark Twain.
Rugged Rio Grande along the border of Texas and Mexico. I'll be sure to point out interesting sights along the way.
Going around the rivers of America.
Tell you about the Lair. We begin our trip right here on Bayou, Mississippi, heading south and ending up down in New Orleans. Back at the landing in Frontierland. We're now passing Fowler's Harbor. This is homeport for the three-masted windjammer, the Columbia, the first American ship to circumnavigate the globe. Here's a bit of history for you. The Columbia set sail from Boston Harbor in 1787. She rounded Cape Horn and became the first American ship to carry the Stars and Stripes around the world. The most famous landmark in this area is Splash Mountain, named for the fact that everyone seems to have a splashing good time when they visit. Splash Mountain is part of Critter Country, a remote wilderness filled with tall pines, rustic buildings, backward bayous, and one of those tall tales we often hear along the river. The story is that the birds and animals that live here can talk, sing, and dance. Like I said, just another tall tale. You're in Critter Country, you might want to grab a camera and try your hand at the Explorer Canoe. You can work up a real good sweat going one of those around the river. See? Now I'll take the comfort of the Mark Twain Riverboat in here. I've been navigating these parts for years now, but I never get tired of taking in the breathtaking beauty of the Columbia River. The majestic trees, the stunning rock formation, the cascading waterfalls, the moose, deer, and elk along the banks. It's all so magnificent and so peaceful. Side of the river is Tiana, and I do believe it is understood. That means we're all clear as we head up the Missouri River to the home of the Plains Indians. Sharing a story all of us to hear. He's telling the tale of how a woodpecker taught a young tribesman to take a hollowed-out branch and turn it into that most wondrous of musical instrument, the flute. It's a legend from the culture passed down from generation to generation.
Yayacha, Ihaka Beina, Echa Uyoka, Baja Chahina,
And then, just beyond the shore,
Akei Uni, Eli Yaidashka, Ahepi, Kiara Dadushia, Nakuni, Rio Chasha, Irina,
As we continue our journey, keep a close eye on the riverbanks. There's a good chance we might catch a glimpse of moose, mountain lions, and other wildlife. Side is Pirate's Lair at Tom Sawyers Island. Young Tom always said he wanted to be a pirate, and I think I see why. If you're a pirate, you don't need to get up early in the morning and go to school, and you never have to wash your face and hands. All you have to do is just look for treasure all day long. At least that's what Tom Sawyer thought.
No. Mountain lion.
Mountain lion.
It's a cougar. Cougar. I think that's why.
We're now heading back into civilization along the Rio Grande. Off in the distance are the towering buttes of Big Thunder Mountain. Rumor has it that the railroad built to haul gold out of the mountain has been seized by supernatural forces, and they've turned the mining trains into the wildest ride in the wilderness. Of course, that may be just another legend of the river. Just ahead is the Frontierland, where our journey begins. On behalf of our entire crew, I'd like to thank you for booking passage on the Mark Twain Riverboat. At this time, we ask that you prepare to disembark. If you're on one of the upper decks, please make your way down to the first deck. The stairways to the right side and the back of the boat may offer the quickest and easiest ride. We hope you enjoyed your voyage with us.
Stand by to go ashore.
等一下，等一下。把妈叫起来。